Hello and welcome to Art with Nikki. Today we're going to have some fun mixing colours. We're going to start with our primary colours of red, yellow and blue. We're going to mix blue and yellow together to see what we're going to get. We're going to mix red and blue together and then we might mix the whole lot together to see what we'll get. Watch the video, have fun and I'll see you later. Bye!